got Kylie, got Miley. I can make the work stretch. I can make the work stretch. Got Kylie, got Miley. Got Kendall, got Kylie, got Miley. I can make the work stretch. I can make the work stretch. Got Kendall, got Kylie, got Selena, and we all pulled up in the Beamer. I can make the work stretch, work stretch, work stretch. I can make the work sing like Aretha. I can make the work ring like a beaver.
Hi, I'm Jordan, and I wanted to tell you about Humangear's new utensil line, the GoBites. There's the Uno, Duo, and Trio. We made the GoBites from a proprietary nylon material that's virtually unbreakable. While other utensils may not hold up, there's a reason we back the GoBites with a lifetime warranty. The Uno's U shape is ergonomic, and we improved the fork and spoon ends. The spoon is deep enough for soup and designed to scrape up every last piece of food. The fork tines are long enough for pasta, and the tapered splitter tines easily cut up softer foods. The Duo has the same optimized fork and spoon ends and adds some neat tricks of its own. You can use the fork and spoon separately or connect them together for a tool that's even longer than most extra long utensils. So it's no sweat to reach into deep containers without getting sauce all over your hands. The Trio packs a full-size fork, spoon, and knife into an ultra-thin case. The tools feature the same optimized ends and they're accessible separately, just grab the one you want. The Trio's knife is sharp enough to cut chicken, and it even has a bottle opener. We think you'll like the toothpick too. So that's the GoBites lineup. Super strong, ergonomic, smart, and backed 100% by our lifetime warranty. The GoBites Uno, Duo, and Trio, the civilized tools for eating on the go, only from Humangear.
Maybe we should try moving the router.
Slide it on your wireless router and you're good to go.
This next one I want to... This is eero. Let's do this.
Sweet.
It's not a router. It's a Wi-Fi system. Eeros create a wireless mesh network that blankets every room in fast, reliable Wi-Fi.
Already in your inbox.
Finally, Wi-Fi that works.
This is the Smart Dash Cam. The 165-degree wide-angle camera records at 1080p at 60 frames per second to capture the important details from every angle. It features ADAS, the Advanced Driving Assistance System. It provides real-time lane departure and frontal collision warnings to keep you safe on the road. This is how you install your Smart Dash Cam. Let's start by unboxing it. Over here I have the Space Gray Edition Smart Dash Cam. Let's just take this and put it over here. In the box, we have the micro USB cable, the 3M sticky mount, which you'll attach your dash cam to, and the USB car charger. And last but not least, the micro SD card. Let's actually set it up and see. First, peel off the sticker. Then attach the car mount to the camera. Make sure that the tab is to the right of the camera. Just like that. And it'll click. Then, try to place the camera right in the middle of your car behind your rear view mirror so that it's not really blocking your view and it kind of hides in plain sight. Adjust both knobs until you find that the camera is facing the right way. Take the USB car charger and plug in the micro USB cable. Then plug that into your cigarette lighter. Take the micro USB cable now and plug it into your dash cam. Probably going to see a light turn on. Once you've set your time and date, it's going to ask you to put in the micro SD card. So let's do that now. Pick the micro SD card. Plug it into the left side. See how it does. And it says it's recording. So that's all it takes. If you want to get more professional with your setup, you have a very long micro USB cable that you can actually run along the seams of your dashboard. Now that we've got it set up, let's go for a drive. There we go.